Well, hello there, and good evening, YouTube. I'm William Brantley, reporting from Bemis, Tennessee, ready to share with you today's weather maps and give you a little climate data on the side and take it from there. Turned out to be a very beautiful day today here in the Bemis, Tennessee area. Matter of fact, low temperature this morning. It started off rather chilly, kind of 32 degrees for a low this morning, but it warmed up very nicely to 70 degrees today. Yeah, how about that? We had a high today of 70 degrees today. Had a southeast wind by 15 miles per hour at about 11:55 this morning. And the relative humidity dropped down to 18% at 2 and 3 p.m. this afternoon. Records for today for November 20th, 85 degrees would be the hottest high in 1965, while the coldest high would be 32 in 1977. While the warmest low would be 62 in 1966, while the coldest low would be 19 degrees in the year 1977. We've had 1.98 inches of rain today back in 1973, and there was no snowfall record for today. Alrighty, beyond that, go ahead and look at the weather maps. Now, let me adjust this a little bit and turn it around so that you can see it too. This is the current surface map and radar, courtesy of the Weather Channel. It will show you rain coming our way, but not quite all the way here just yet. Mainly over in Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, and is kind of developing as we speak, as of about 5:18 Central Daylight Saving. Well, I'll get it straight in a minute. Central Standard Time. I still get those mixed up every once in a while. All right, let's look at tomorrow's forecast maps. For tomorrow morning, it looks like the rain starts approaching our area along the Mississippi River by tomorrow morning. Most of it's going to be up around the Great Lakes, though. Light stuff down through Arkansas and Oklahoma and on the western edge of our area. Some snow out in the west and the western states and the mountains, and rain in the southwest, and that pretty much concludes tomorrow morning's weather map. And by tomorrow afternoon, it moves a little bit further east, but not very far. Actually, but a little bit here in West Tennessee, but we'll light stuff more tomorrow afternoon. Most likely tomorrow night on into Friday, actually, is the way it's looking right now. And a little bit still out west in different spots. Snow in the mountains and rain in the valleys out in the desert southwest. Again, this is for tomorrow afternoon. And for tomorrow night, it's a little bit closer to us. As you can see, it gets close to up to the Mississippi River, and fairly heavy over in parts of Arkansas and Oklahoma and extreme southern Missouri, and goes on up into the Great Lakes area. And that's going to be actually enlarge itself even more by Friday morning. Is the way it's thinking right now. Still some snow and rain in parts of the western United States. Alright, let's look at a little bit more Pacific forecast. The sun will be setting. The sun will be rising If I can get it to go, there we go. The sun will be rising tomorrow. There's a 50% chance of some rain during the day tomorrow, 90% by tomorrow night. Low of 47 and a high of 62, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. The sun will be rising tomorrow morning at 6:36 a.m. instead of 4:45 p.m. You see the moon rising there at 12:48 a.m. and setting at 2:01 p.m. on Thursday. On Friday, it looks like a 90% chance of rain, 70% by Friday night, low near 41, high of 55 with north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now let me put the camera down so that you can read it better. And beyond that, it looks like the chances for tomorrow is 60% during the day, 90% by tomorrow night, and by Friday it looks like 80% for the most part, 70% by Friday night, and again a chance 40% on Saturday, but remaining cloudy during the afternoon, then becoming fair by Saturday night, with a low tomorrow morning of near 46 degrees, high tomorrow near 64 degrees, low Friday morning of 52, high of Friday of only 55, low of 43 by Saturday morning, high of 48, and a low of 31 by Sunday morning, I think. Yeah, 31, and then a high of 54 by Sunday. And Sunday sky is expected by Sunday, with the low of, like I said, 31 and 54 for the low and high on Sunday, 35 and 61 for the low and high by Monday of next week. A little sneak peek at Thanksgiving. Looks like there's going to be a 40% chance of a few scattered showers on Thanksgiving Day. Low of 37 and a high of 53, which is not too bad for Thanksgiving. And it looks like we're going to go to a wet spell a week after Thanksgiving, or a week of Thanksgiving would be a better way to put it, with a 40 to 50% chance of rain each day starting Tuesday of next week, and take it from there. Alrighty, I guess that'd be it for the most part. Let me put it back on me briefly. I already gave you the climate data. Let me get myself straightened out here real quick, and say thanks for watching and viewing and subscribing, and I guess we'll talk to you tomorrow night. And have a good night, my friends, and God bless you from Bemis, Tennessee.